Hey Sierra, Connor here. We're just chatting on Facebook. I just had a quick look at your website, and as you can see, there's quite a lot going on in terms of like issues with the website. I think you mentioned you haven't actually launched it, but just wanted to make sure you're aware of things like this piece, the banner image being cut off. Um, there's a big gap here with no content whatsoever. I guess this is all stuff you're working on. Same with this picture. It's not sitting right. It's all mixed up. It has, the banner, the image is cut wrong here. Um, Same thing, all this with no, the wording and the buttons. Down here, same thing, pictures are cut in half. Um, Link to your Instagram. Didn't actually take me to your Instagram, looks like. Yeah. So yeah, there's just a few little things I wanted to mention to you. The issues that I'm seeing, it looks obviously that you're probably doing a lot of work on it, but just wanted to highlight those. Again, I'm happy here to jump on a call with you if you'd like. We can potentially help you with some of our services or help you with the lead gen process. That's what we basically help a lot most people with. Leave you to do like the creative stuff, and work on that side, and maybe even help you with some of the website if that's something that's giving you a lot of headaches. The whole idea, Sarah, is obviously when you're starting a business, is do the things you're good at and outsource the rest. So yeah, we're happy to have a discussion with you if you'd like. We can set up time for a call and actually yeah, so if you want to set up a time for a chat, we can do that. I'm free next week, and we can look at like what your goals and priorities are, where your business is at now, potentially what we can do to help you move it forward in the right direction, and start getting you closer to making that 1K a month and a lot more. So yeah, let me know your thoughts here.